How to change your Discord password if you have forgotten it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord password if you have forgotten it. We will walk you through the step-by-step process to reset your Discord password on mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your Discord app. If you are not logged in, you should be able to see the login screen. Now, on the login page, enter your email or phone number and simply tap on Forget Your Password. And now, the Discord will send a password reset link to your Gmail inbox. Now, go ahead and open your Gmail app. Look for the email for Discord titled Password Reset Request. Open the email and find the Reset Password button inside. Tap on Reset Password button and you will be redirected to a page in your browser where you can create a new password. Make sure it's strong and something you can remember. Once you have entered your new password, tap on the Change Password and this will reset and change your password. And that's how you can change the Discord password if you have forgotten. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.